Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Use an 8mm or 5/16 socket or a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws securing the filter housing. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF1519 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the bolts. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.